This is the GoPro Dual Battery Charger. I got this charger to charge my GoPro batteries, and it has been a fairly solid buy. Charger does come with these two white batteries that are better than the blue ones, since these ones have better life expectancy for cold and also just better overall. To install them, all you do is you see the metal pins on the inside and line these up and you push them down. The little flap should be pointing away from these little lights right here, which if you grab a Type-C cord, plug it in, and then you put your batteries on, will glow orange when they're charging. Once they are charged, these will turn green and you'll be ready to go use these for anything you need with your GoPro. So if you're finished, all you do is you pop them off, slip them into your GoPro, and boom, you're ready to go. This charger is only a few inches big, easy to slip into any bag I have. I never go anywhere without this charger just because of how essential it is to keeping my GoPro on. It's held up, it's a very nice compact design. I've yet to have any issues with this, and typically I leave my batteries on there for like an hour to 2 hours to charge completely. Depending on where you're at and the temperatures, that affects battery life. I can go for like an hour to 2 hours on the charge